Smelly hair is a common problem, moreover, it's embarrassing. Following a healthy diet, hydrating sufficiently, using the right product can play an important role in avoiding smelly hair. In this video, we will share 5 best home remedies for smelly hair. Try it and share with your friends and family. 5 best home remedies for smelly hair. Baking soda. Baking soda is the most common home remedies which are used to reduce oiliness from the hair. It helps in neutralizing the odor and treats smelly hair. Make a paste by mixing 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 3 tablespoons of water. Apply the paste evenly on your hair. Let it rest for 10 minutes and then wash off with normal water. Repeat the process once a week. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is loaded with active cleansing properties that treat the conditions cause smelly hair. It works by changing the pH of your scalp, killing the microbes. Mix half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in 1 cup of water. Apply it on your scalp and leave it for 5 minutes. Then rinse off with water and pat dry your hair. Neem oil. Neem oil has been used since times immemorial for its various health benefits. It is effective in treating itchy scalp and dandruff, which are responsible for the odor. It also promotes hair growth and treats symptoms of eczema. Dilute 1 teaspoon of neem oil in a tablespoon of coconut oil. Apply it on your scalp and massage gently before bedtime. Rinse with a mild shampoo next morning. Onion oil. Onion has sulfur, which fights bacteria and fungi effectively and get rid of smelly hair and scalp. Onion also promotes hair growth, helping you preventing baldness. Mix 1 tablespoon of onion oil with 5 drops of peppermint essential oil. Massage it on your scalp and hair and leave it overnight. Shampoo next morning. Lemon oil. Lemon oil comes as an easy option to treat smelly hair, scalp infections, and dandruff. Just dilute 1 teaspoon of lemon oil with 2 drops of tea tree oil and apply on your scalp gently. Leave it for an hour and shampoo your hair. Try it and get rid of smelly hair fast.